I just wanted to introduce you to our latest XHD knife. And this knife is the XHD Commander. Now, if a blade could tell stories, there'd be a book's worth of stories for the Commander. In fact, who knows, maybe we will write a book about this knife sometime, because this knife is one of our flagship designs, and it's been with us since the very beginning, and it has literally seen use in every theater of combat for the last 25 plus years. It's been there and done that. Like I said, if a knife could talk, this one would have some stories to tell. But what's special about this XHD Commander? Well, it's got an S35 VN blade. It's 156 thick, 5/32, so it's a big, beefy blade. These are 125 thick G10, our extra coarse handles, which give you a superb grip. Did I say this was S35 VN? I want to make sure you guys heard that. The liners are 090 thick titanium on each side, and it has our signature tank tread titanium backspacer in the back. This knife is a serious knife. This is a man's knife. If you want a man's knife, get one of these XHD Commanders. It will not disappoint. So this is it, the Emerson XHD Commander. Watch for it. It's coming right up. Hope you enjoy it.